Copilot is Microsoft's artificial intelligence tool that allows you to perform various tasks. You can use it to research about pets, get recipes, plan vacations, create exercise routines, or even assist with home decor changes. However, today I want to teach you how to create images with Copilot AI. The images you're viewing were generated with Copilot. The image generation component of Copilot is powered by DALL-E 3, a product of OpenAI which generates images using DALL-E 3's capabilities. In this video, I will teach you how to use this free AI on your computer and mobile devices to create attractive images. If you're interested in artificial intelligence, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. To create an image with Copilot, first you need to open its website, copilot.microsoft.com. Then navigate to the Designer section. In this page, you can describe the image you want in the text box. But first, you need to sign in. Click on the Sign In button in the top right corner and select the first option. If you have a Microsoft account, sign in with it. If not, click on Create One to create a new account. Now, let me log in with my username and password. Then, I'll go back to the Designer section. Let's test it together. I'll write, "Give me an image of a dog running on the street and listening to music." Then I press Enter and wait for my image to be ready. Copilot always generates 4 images for each prompt. Click on any of them to enlarge. To download the image, click on the 3 dots on the top and select Download. There is a list of different styles available below the image. You can click on any of them to apply that style to the image. Let's try origami together. Copilot generates a new image similar to the previous one, but this time in the style I selected. It did a great job. If you like the new image, click Looks Good. Otherwise, click Undo. Let's try another one of these styles. Claymation is good. Wow, it looks really cool. It reminds me of an animation, but I can't remember which one. If you remember, please comment below. Because I like it, I'll click Looks Good. Another exciting feature is that you can highlight a specific part of the image by hovering over it. You can choose any part you want, like the pedestrian pavement or the headphone. I'll choose the dog. 2 new options will appear below the image. If I click on Color Pop, only the selected part will remain colored, and the rest of the image will turn black and white. This can be useful in many cases. I'll click on Looks Good. Now, I'll select the dog once more. This time, I'll opt for Blur Background. This AI effectively blurs the background of my image. Another important point is that images generated by Copilot are square-shaped. If you require a landscape-oriented image, you'll need to click on this button located in the corner of the original image. Then select Landscape. Just like that, my image transitions into a landscape orientation. However, it's important to note that Copilot's AI doesn't simply rotate the same image into landscape mode. Rather, it creates a new image based on the same description, but in a horizontal format. If you wish to convert the same image into landscape, fret not. There is a solution. But before I delve into explaining this matter, if you found this video enjoyable, your likes would be greatly appreciated. ClipDrop is another AI tool that offers various features, such as generative fill, swap face, or remove background. I'll click on Uncrop and provide the square image I created with Copilot. Then, I'll adjust the size and position of the image and click on Next. ClipDrop generates a set of 4 images from which we can choose one. I think this one is more suitable. Then we download it using the Download button. I click on the back button to return to the main Copilot page. Now, if I click on the description of my image, which is below, a new page opens for me to access the images I created earlier. Here, I can type the description of a new image and then click on Create to make another image. Let's try it again. This time, I write a captain wearing a coat with several medals hanging on his chest, wearing a peculiar hat on his head, having a skull-like face, and sporting a mustache and pipe. Now I click on the Create button. Wow, what cool images it has created! It's fantastic. I click on one of them to enlarge it. Look at this. He has lots of medals and his hat is really peculiar. This one has scary eyes. The smoke from the pipe is also evident here. This one has really cool mustaches. I really like this image. I click on this button to download it. This one is also great in my opinion. I download this one too. If you are not satisfied with the images, you can click on Create again to repeat this process. Here's the result. The Surprise Me button also randomly generates a prompt for you. I click on it. It says Lavender Garnish Cocktail Idea. Let's try again. This time it says Superman sitting at a cubicle, 1930s comic. Now I click on Create to generate the relevant images. If I click on Customize here, it will take me to a new page where I can edit my image. On one side, it gives me some ideas. On the other side, I can add another image, shape, or text to my image. And it has a lot of features for editing images. As for mobile devices, if you are using a mobile phone, you have two solutions for using this AI. First, open the Copilot Microsoft.com website on your phone's browser and exactly follow all the steps I mentioned. Second, install the Copilot app on your phone. It has both Android and iOS versions. I'll put the link to download this app in the video description. After installation, you'll see that it's exactly like the website, and with the help of my tutorial video, you can easily use it. Copilot is free, but it gives you 15 credits per account, which are recharged daily. Each image creation costs 1 credit. You can create more than 15 images, but the speed of generating subsequent images will be slow. If you want to learn how to turn text into a video, watch this video.